Hello everyone, how are you? Dollar Currency 21 is here again. This is our Twitter account. Go and follow us. There's a lot of educational content in our account. And recently we are start to promote OrangeX and Bitmart. There's an opportunity to make free money, so go and check them. So let's jump into the chart quickly. If you add the 200 weekly moving average and 300 moving average on the chart, you will see that in the past, whenever we're reaching this zone, we quickly pierced it to the downside. And in this bands, that was the zone that the bottom of the bear market was firm, and we started to form bullish structure in that zone and in that area. Okay, and we flipped the market and started the bullish cycle after that. Okay, so if you check the 200 weekly moving average here, you will see clearly that let me check this label price on. You will see that the $62,000 is the place that the current 200 weekly moving average is standing right now. So we pierced it to the downside, and we're currently hovering above it in a weekly time frame. Okay, the 300 weekly moving average is as well is around $54,000, which is at the same demand zone that we expecting price to touch it. Note that there is a flat Kijunsen here, and whenever you see a big flat Kijunsen, uh, which is around $49,000, that means big support and big demand zones are exist here. Okay, and the confluence of the 300 weekly moving average is at the same zone, heading to the uh, formation of the bottom of the uh, bear market in this zone. Okay, and the next thing which is added to our confluence is the CVVD. Okay, if you check the CVVD in the past bear cycles, you will see that whenever we touch it, we bounce to the upside. We touch it, we bounce to the upside. Here in 2022, okay, we touch it, the FTX the collapse happened, and after that we formed a bullish structure here, and after that the bull market was started. Okay, and the CVDD currently is around $48,000. So if you check the weekly time frame, you will see we're currently forming an FVG on a weekly time frame. It's not completed yet, 2 days remaining for this one, but I'm gonna consider an FVG. It doesn't matter if it goes up or down. Okay, in short term, we're expecting to fill in this FVG. So in short term, you can be bullish to testing $64,000. Let me jump into the 4-hour time frame for lower time frame. Okay, to show you it better. Okay, so here in the $64,000 is our short-term resistance. So if we break it to the upside, which will be the inside of the Kumo cloud and above this Kijunsen, okay, that could be a bullish sign for short term, and you can go upside inside the Kumo cloud to test the $68,000, and breaking this flat Senko span B, which is the top edge of the red Kumo cloud, and confirmation above it could be a trigger for continuation to the upside and testing the top level of the FVG, which is $52,000. Okay, so let me give you this visual. Okay, so for the first signal, we need to break this resistance here. Okay, hovering here and breaking this lower edge of the Kumo cloud to the upside, which is at the same level of these Kijunsen. Okay, that could be a trigger to test the other edge of the Kumo cloud, which is the Senko span B. And if we confirm above it, you can expect to move more upside and testing the $52,000, which is the upper level of the upper edge of the FVG. Okay, so let me delete this for you, and we will go back to weekly time frame. Okay, so in short-term time frame, we expect an uptrend to the upside step by step. I told you, okay, which targets we're considering. Okay, but note that we are still in a bearish downtrend. Okay, and if you draw your downside trend, you can see that we touch it one time. Okay, we touch it one time, we barely touch it. This is our second touch. Okay, and we have the potential to test it for the third time and plunge down once again. Okay, yes, I bought Bitcoin here at $60,000, but I expect more downside. Okay, and see another low. Okay, another low to this demand zone, which is around 59,000 to $58,000. Okay, so if we test this zone, I'm gonna accumulate it. I'm gonna buy the Bitcoin, and hear me out. This could be the real bottom formation for this bear cycle, and after that, breaking above this trend could be a trigger for the beginning of a next bullish cycle. Note that currently we are seeing this red Kumo cloud here, which is adding to the bearish or sideways movement for several weeks. Okay, so I'm expecting this Kumo cloud formation be something like this. Okay, and after that, a bullish Kumo cloud, green bullish Kumo cloud, look like this will be formed, and price could hover here or go down here. Okay, and after that we're gonna see something like this. Okay, so I don't think we're gonna test this lower demand zone, which is around $38,000 to $43,000. It's highly unlikely, but if we test that, I'm gonna sell my car, I'm gonna sell my house, I'm gonna buy Bitcoin. Okay, because that would be a generational wealth for your kids, for your grand kids, and that would be a really unique opportunity in this bearish zone. Okay, the target for the next bullish cycle will be first above this Kumo cloud, so you need to confirmation above this Kumo cloud. Okay, the future Kumo cloud will be formed around here, $89,000 or $90,000. So we need to confirm above this Kumo cloud in the future, probably after October, after September, probably around December. Okay, or the Q1 of the 27. Okay, 2027. The next target will be the previous ATH around $120,000, and after that we're going to pierce the sky. Okay, $180K, $200,000 will be the targets for the next bull cycle, and this will be the zone that you want to start to unload your bags. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this show. See you later.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step.